Your lesson essential question is, how do you use a multiplication table to solve division problems? So we'll be using a multiplication table to solve division problems. You know, when we divide, we get a larger number and we break it up into equal groups. You've also learned that multiplication and division are related. So you are able to use a multiplication table to solve those division problems. So let's take a look at 15 divided by 3 equals blank. Well, 15 divided by 3 equals blank. We learned about fact families, and that's the same as 3 times blank equals 15. So, step 1, we know one factor is 3. Remember, a factor isn't one of the numbers being multiplied. So the first thing we need to do is find 3 in the first column of the table. So coming over here, we know we're going to do 3 times something. You know the product is 15, so we need to follow that row the 3 is in until we get to 15. So here's the 3, here's 15. So here's our product or our answer. Now we just look straight up to the top of that column of the table, and that's the missing factor. So 3 times 5. So 15 divided by 3 is 5, or 3 times 5 equals 15.